How to trade binary options. When trading binary options, you should predict the asset price direction, whether the price will go up or down compared to the opening price. A buy position, call option, will result in a profit if the closing price is higher than the opening price. A sell position, put option, will result in a profit if the closing price is lower than the opening price. Otherwise, your deal will result in a loss. Specify the amount of your investment by pressing the Amount button on the right-hand side panel. Choose the expiration time by clicking the Time button. After the expiration time, the option is no longer valid and cannot be used. The expiration time is shown on the chart by the red solid line. The white dotted line on the chart is the purchase deadline. Up to this time, you can buy multiple options of the same asset in the chosen direction. Choose the direction of the price movement. If you suppose the price will go up, click the green Higher button. If you expect the price to go down, press the red Lower button. After the transaction crosses the red line and expires, you will see your result, either a green window with the earned profit if the prediction was correct, or the red window with the amount of loss if the prediction turned out to be wrong. In binary options trading, it doesn't matter how significantly the price changes. If the closing price is equal to the opening price, your initial investment into a deal will be returned back to your account. Have a nice trading experience.